Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many people are curious about: what is the best trader salary? If you've ever wondered how much money traders make, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. First things first, it's important to know that trader salaries can vary a lot. There are a few factors that determine how much a trader can earn. One factor is the type of trading they do. There are three main types: retail traders, proprietary traders, and institutional traders. Retail traders are individuals who trade their own money or work with small investment firms. On average, they can make anywhere from $30,000 to $150,000 per year. Not bad, right? Proprietary traders work for trading firms and use the firm's money to trade. Their salaries are usually based on a profit-sharing model. This means they get a percentage of the profits they make. Proprietary traders can earn between $100,000 to several million dollars each year, depending on how good they are at trading. Institutional traders, on the other hand, work for big financial institutions like banks and hedge funds. These traders can make anywhere from $250,000 to several million dollars annually. That's some serious cash. Another thing to consider is the location. Trader salaries can vary depending on where you live. For example, if you're in the United States, cities like New York and Chicago are known for higher salaries. Entry-level traders in the US can expect around $50,000 per year, while top traders can make millions. In the United Kingdom, London is a major financial hub with competitive salaries. Entry-level traders there earn around £30,000 to £50,000 per year, and experienced traders can make over £100,000 annually. Lastly, let's not forget that trading also involves risks. The market can be unpredictable, and losses are part of the game. So it's important to have a clear strategy, manage risks wisely, and take a long-term approach to trading. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more finance-related content. Thanks for watching, and remember, trading can be a rewarding career if you're passionate and willing to put in the effort. Take care and happy trading.